Today was a special day, but I woke up like any other day. Good morning, angels. Meow. Meow. But I found a note. The note said, "Can you find the area of the unit circle using calculus?" I pondered for a while. When I went to the bathroom to wash my face, I looked in the mirror and I thought, I need to make a function to make a definite integral. So I solved for the top half of the circle. And I turned it into a definite integral. So I just need to find the integral from -1 to 1 of the square root of 1 minus x squared dx. I didn't know how to solve the integral, so I started to think outside the box. I know that cosine squared plus sine squared is 1. So sine squared equals 1 minus cosine squared. Or I could solve for cosine squared. You know what? I'm just gonna let x equal sine theta and worry about the consequences later. Here they are already. Okay, so dx is cosine theta d theta. By the way, who sent the note? I better work this out on my table. Okay, let x equal sine theta. dx is cosine theta d theta. Forget about the balance rule. Square root of 1 minus square x squared dx is square root 1 minus sine squared theta d times cosine theta d theta, which is the square root of cosine squared theta cosine theta d theta. So that's integral of cosine squared theta d theta. Oh, but that's not so bad. The integral of cosine squared theta. I remember this from class. Oh, you have to use the fact that cosine squared theta is 1/2 plus 1/2 cosine 2 theta. And then I use a little u sub. Okay, I think I got this integral. So far so good, but okay, I have to worry about the bounds now. X is going from -1 to 1. X is sine theta, then theta is sine inverse of x. Okay, so sine inverse of -1 is negative pi over 2, and sine inverse of 1 is pi over 2. I think I got it. So the integral from -1 to 1 of square root 1 minus x squared dx is 1/2 theta plus 1/4 sine 2 theta from negative pi over 2 to pi over 2. Plug it in, evaluate, blah blah blah. Oh, pi over 2 for the half of the circle. So then the area of the unit circle is 2 times pi over 2, which is pi. And then at that point I yelled out pi. And then there was a knock at the door. It was my neighbor. I gave your cats a note. I hope you don't mind. I've been wanting to say hi, and I made some pie.